My foot was in the way. What color are you getting?
Where is it?
Now you have to get yellow.
Now get. Okay, now get yellow.
Got it.
Good job. Now what's left? The red?
The last
Orange.
color.
Orange.
Yes.
Hey, Grandma, I'm getting ready for dye.
Now you want.
Okay, you got your orange. Okay, now I have to get Pop-Pop going in.
Maddie, put one down for me. I'm coming after it right now.
It didn't sink yet.
Okay, here we go.
Chris, throw the yellow over here.
Here we go, Maddie.
I'll get that.
Go. Oh, here it is. I gotta get me a pair of those glasses. I got it. You want that one?
Papa.
Oh, hey, you can get it. All right, be careful with that. Don't break it. I gotta get a pair of them.